As a homeowner in Redmond, Washington, energy efficiency is likely a top priority, especially with the region's mix of cool, damp winters and mild, pleasant summers. One often overlooked way to enhance your home's energy efficiency is by upgrading your doors. Doors play a crucial role in insulation and temperature regulation. A high-quality, energy-efficient door can not only improve your home's comfort but also help lower your energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint. If you're considering replacing your doors, here are some of the best energy-efficient door installation options for Redmond homes. Insulated steel doors. Steel doors are a popular option for homeowners seeking energy efficiency and security. These doors are highly durable and are available with an insulated core, which helps reduce heat transfer between the inside and outside of your home. Insulated steel doors offer excellent protection against the cold, keeping warm air inside during the winter months and preventing outdoor heat from entering during the summer. In addition to their insulating properties, steel doors are resistant to weathering, rotting, and warping, which is especially important in Redmond's wet climate. Whether you choose a solid steel door or one with glass panels, insulated steel doors can help maintain a consistent indoor temperature while also enhancing your home's security. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are another excellent option for homeowners in Redmond looking for energy-efficient door installation. These doors are incredibly versatile, coming in a variety of styles, finishes, and designs that can suit any home's aesthetic. One of the biggest advantages of fiberglass doors is their exceptional insulation properties. The core of a fiberglass door is typically filled with foam, which provides an effective thermal barrier. This insulation helps to keep the heat in during winter and the cool air in during the summer, resulting in lower heating and cooling costs. Additionally, fiberglass doors do not expand, contract, or warp like wood doors, making them a low-maintenance and long-lasting option. Fiberglass doors can also mimic the look of wood, providing the traditional appearance of a wooden door without the high maintenance requirements. With added features like low heat glass, these doors can enhance your home's energy efficiency even further by reducing heat transfer through the glass. Wood doors with energy-efficient features. While wood doors are known for their beauty and timeless appeal, they can sometimes be less energy efficient due to their tendency to expand and contract with changes in humidity. However, there are wood door options available that are specifically designed with energy efficiency in mind. Look for doors made from solid wood with energy-efficient core materials, such as foam insulation, which provide a better thermal barrier than standard wood. These doors also come with weather stripping and enhanced seals that help prevent drafts and air leaks. Additionally, wood doors with low-heat glass inserts can improve insulation by reducing the amount of heat that passes through the glass. If you're committed to the natural look of wood, this option can still provide an aesthetically pleasing and energy-efficient solution for your Redmond home. Sliding patio doors with insulating glass. For homeowners with patio doors, upgrading to energy-efficient sliding glass doors can make a significant difference in overall energy savings. Modern sliding patio doors feature double or triple pane glass with gas fills, such as argon or krypton, which provide better insulation than single pane glass. These doors also have advanced weather stripping to prevent drafts and improve the door's overall airtight seal. Additionally, sliding patio doors with low-E glass coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to filter through, reducing energy costs during both the hot summer months and chilly winters. In a climate like Redmond's, where the temperature can fluctuate, these energy-efficient sliding doors can help maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home year-round, while also enhancing natural light and the view of your outdoor space. Storm doors for extra insulation. If you're looking for a more affordable energy-efficient option for your existing entry doors, consider installing a storm door. Storm doors provide an additional layer of insulation by acting as a barrier between your main door and the outside environment. This extra layer of protection helps to prevent drafts and keeps the cold air outside in the winter, while also reducing heat buildup inside during the summer. Storm doors come in a variety of materials, including aluminum and fiberglass, and often feature low-E glass or ventilated panels that can help improve your home's energy efficiency. They are easy to install and can be a cost-effective way to boost the performance of your existing doors. Choosing the right door hardware. While the material of the door itself plays a significant role in its energy efficiency, the type of hardware you choose can also impact how well your door functions. Look for high-quality weather stripping, energy-efficient thresholds, and tight-fitting door sweeps to ensure that your door remains airtight and insulated. For example, a well-sealed door with a sturdy, high-performance threshold will help prevent heat from escaping around the edges of the door. Additionally, high-quality locks and handles can help improve the security of your door while also contributing to its overall efficiency. Professional installation for maximum efficiency. Even the most energy-efficient door won't perform well if it's not installed properly. Ensuring that your door is correctly installed is crucial to its overall energy efficiency. A professional installation ensures that your door is sealed properly, aligned correctly, and fully functional. Gaps, improper alignment, or poor sealing can result in air leaks, which defeat the purpose of upgrading to an energy-efficient door. When hiring a contractor to install your new door, make sure they are experienced in door installation and understand the importance of proper sealing and insulation for energy efficiency. Proper installation will ensure that your new door performs as expected, keeping your home more comfortable and energy efficient for years to come. Conclusion. Energy-efficient doors are a smart investment for Redmond homeowners looking to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and increase the overall value of their property. Whether you choose insulated steel doors, fiberglass doors, or energy-efficient wood options, upgrading your doors can make a significant difference in your home's energy efficiency. With the right door and professional installation, you can enjoy better insulation, improved comfort, and long-term savings. Don't let outdated, inefficient doors undermine your home's energy performance. Explore the wide range of energy-efficient door options available for your Redmond home today.